Welcome back, everybody. Dr. Blumenthal here, Natural Transplants. We are in the DC office, and we are thrilled. We got Shayanne with us today. Shayanne, you're coming in from Ohio. Awesome. Thank you for doing this. Thank you for sharing your story with everybody. Tell us a little bit about why you're here, how you found us, that sort of thing.
Indeed, yep.
You can hold the little mic if you want to. There you go.
Yep, I'm coming in here from Ohio. It's been a long time as far as dealing with my hair process, with, the front ends, due to, multiple years of tension as a child and just getting in my teenage and adult years. I've caused a little, traction to go back as far as my hair. So these later years, I've been doing some research, trying to figure out who's out there, who's the best to, actually do this procedure for me. And of course, came across Natural Transplant.
Of course, yeah.
And saw their work and results, especially with African American women. So I like what they did, and I was like, why not? Made me an appointment, and here I am today.
Love it. Love it. Well, I feel honored to be part of your journey, so thank you.
Thank you.
And you sort of mentioned you just kind of want to return to yourself again and bring the hairline back, and I hear that a lot, so
yes.
I feel you.
It's been decades.
It's decades. It's time. So I'm going to have Saul zoom in here. So you can just look left and look right a little bit. There you go. So you can see we have about 3 fingers, in some areas 2, some areas 3. We're still debating on what to do in the front, whether just to replace the old hairline or change it. She's not super happy with the original hairline, so we'll play around a little bit. We'll draw it all out, come back and check in with you in a little bit. Sound good?
Sounds
all right,
good.
Awesome.
Thanks.
All right, we are back with Shayanne, and we have drawn the line. We traced more of her original hairline. We brought it down a little bit. We all thought it was a little bit too crowded, so we brought it back up a little bit more. So it's a little bit below original, but not much. And I think it looks really good on her, and she loves it. And we're getting about 2 to 3 fingers somewhere around there, so hopefully we'll be able to get that extra strip and fill it all in. Got a couple Valium on board. You feeling all right?
Feeling all right.
All right, let's do this. We'll check on you in a little bit.
All right.
All right, we are back. Dr. Blumenthal here with Shayanne, and we are finished for the day. Shayanne, congratulations.
Thank you.
Tell everybody how the day went.
More than I can expect it. I've watched plenty of videos, but when you're actually in the seat going through the process, a breeze.
Awesome.
I mean, everybody here just outstanding.
Well, I'm glad to hear that. So I do have to ask you, was it as bad as you thought it was going to be?
No,
okay,
not at all.
So you owe me $1. That's really the most important thing we need to learn today. I love it. It looks fantastic. We did have to spread the grass out just a touch, just to kind of cover the area, but I think it looks fantastic. I'm just going to zoom in here. I love the line on you. It looks really nice on you.
Thank you. I can't wait for months to come to see what it's going to be.
I love it. Words of advice for somebody out there thinking about it. Let's say you 2 years ago. What would you tell them?
Do it.
Yeah.
Why not? I mean, again, especially if you're dealing with hair loss and you're like, what are my options?
Yeah.
You might as well do it. Just go ahead and for it. It's amazing.
Fantastic. And I love that you're doing this for yourself. It's about time, right?
Thank you. Yes, overdue.
Welcome to the family. Thanks for doing this. Hopefully we'll follow you along and see you in a year.
Yes.
Okay?
Indeed.
All right. Have a safe trip back.
Thanks.
Take the first step to better hair. Visit us at naturaltransplants.com.